Assalamualaikum, Famida welcomes all you lovely people in Non-Veg Indian Cuisine channel, and today's recipe is none other than white tandoori chicken, which is very delicious and mouth-watering. So please do watch this video till the end, and if you have any queries you can ask me in the comment box. Now here I am taking nearly 500 grams of chicken in a mixing bowl. I am adding a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of white pepper, a teaspoon of raw papaya paste, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of all spices powder into the chicken. Now give it a good mix and let this chicken marinate for at least half an hour until the chicken becomes completely tenderized. Here I am using raw papaya paste actually to tenderize the chicken, or you can use any other good tenderizer. Now after half an hour I am adding nearly 2 tablespoons or half cup of thick yogurt into the chicken. Now let this chicken further marinate for at least half an hour more. Now after half an hour or after one complete hour, I am skewing the chicken onto the skewers. Now you can see I had already skewed. Now drizzle some oil over the chicken. Now this would help the chicken to remain moist all through after actual roasting. I am directly roasting these pieces over the gas flame. Flip and turn, flip and turn. Avoid burning of the spices and the chicken pieces. I love this process because it takes less time and within few minutes it becomes ready to be served. And now roast all the chicken pieces in batches. And once they are done, remove them out in a separate plate. You can see how perfectly it has been done. Now in a saucepan, in the meanwhile, I am taking generous amount of butter. Now I am adding in a teaspoon of ginger julienne into the butter, followed by half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Now saute for a while, and now remove all the chicken pieces from the skewers into the pan. Do this process very gently. Now once they are removed, add a teaspoon of chaat masala powder over. Now toss all the pieces in the flavored butter. Now finally garnish the chicken pieces with fresh coriander and serve hot with pudina chutney, lemon halves and tandoori salad. So guys, if you like these recipes, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon. And once again, thanks for watching my videos. Stay with me for many more upcoming recipes in Bakra Eid special series. So until next video, bye. Allah Hafiz. दुआ में याद रखिए.